What's up, y'all? So today's kind of like a different type of radio. Silverado today. I'm gonna be installing the JBL. So first I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna start removing this door panel right now. First of all, I'm gonna get y'all with a little before and after. These speakers aren't even working, these two. The only two working are the ones in the back. So let's see. We already got these two on. Getting working on the other side. We got the speakers installed now. It's a different day. I didn't get to film this part yesterday because there was kind of a lot of people out here. So we got a little after right now. Here are the new speakers. They sound way better. That side was actually really complicated because we couldn't get the whole door panel off because we had to take out the seat. And we didn't have the correct things to take out the seat, so I had to be holding on to the door panel, pulling it up, and my dad was cutting the metal since we didn't have oval speakers. They were all circle speakers, and here comes the after. Overall, the speakers ended up being a really good purchase. They were 100 a pair, so it come out to about 230 something with tax. I'll link these speakers below. The video is not over. I'm just saying that the speakers were overall really good. So it turned out that this speaker right here and the other speaker, these were fully blown, like literally fully blown. Were garbage, and my brother actually said that they sounded better than his new car speakers because he got new speakers. Speakers they came out to be like $400 something. These were $200 something, so actually came out pretty good. He liked them, my dad liked them, and next is gonna be the new radio, and CarPlay radio, Sony CarPlay. And yeah, so right now I'm actually gonna get to starting to wash the truck. Gonna give you guys like a little cinematics of that. now clean. We're now done with today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, post notifications, share the video. I'll link down below the speakers, and yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and peace out.